Yo, what's up? Welcome back. I've got two new upgrades on the bike that I'm going to run you through, and then we're going to go test them out on this sand track. First thing is this triangle linkage upgrade from EBMX. It's the only one that I found that went on both sides of the frame. It looks way more heavy duty than the stock one, and I don't see any others out there that's going on this side of the frame, so it's got to be stronger. And the second reason is this big tyre. This is 100 by 100 by 17. It's a Viper. It's just a cheap tyre, but it's a good one to give it a test on. As you can see, it kind of matches up with the 19 a lot better than the 16 in diameter. I'll get my helmet on and we'll go give this a run. All right, first run on this big meaty tyre. Running just in mode 2 on the EBMX. Running 15 kilowatt in mode 2. You can feel it already, it's tearing up this track. Gotta find a little loop in here. Tyre is so grippy, it seems better, but the other one was getting pretty bald anyway, so it's time for a tyre upgrade. $30 kilowatts of power, 40 horsepower. Listen to this 30 kilowatt, you can hear how angry it is. Can't even turn. Man, that is so good. You can hear how angry it is. Saw some puddles up here, so I reckon try and get a nice slow-mo going through those. Bit of Jay Jonovsky, I think you say his name. He gets some awesome shots. Little side track here. 15 kilowatts, back down to 15. So good. That's going to wrap up today's video. The tyre was sick, ripped up heaps, better than the 19, which is expected. I'd actually say this is better than the 16 because it's got that little bit of height, makes the bike feel a bit more level on the track. Loving the 30 kilowatt tune by EBMX. It's still so powerful, it's going to take a while to get used to that. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.